Ever wonder how some YouTube videos seem to rake in views forever? You might have noticed that certain videos keep popping up in your recommendations no matter how much time has passed since they were uploaded. The secret sauce is evergreen content. This type of content remains relevant and useful to viewers long after it's been published. It's like that trusty pair of jeans in your closet, always relevant, always stylish. No matter the season or the latest fashion trends, those jeans never go out of style. So, what exactly is evergreen content? It's content that addresses timeless topics, providing value to viewers regardless of when they watch it. Imagine a video about how to tie your shoes. This is a skill that people will always need to learn. People will always need to learn this, right? Whether it's a child learning for the first time or an adult needing a refresher, the demand for this knowledge never fades. That's evergreen content that stays relevant and valuable over time. It doesn't matter if it's watched today, next year, or even 5 years from now. Why should I care about making evergreen content? Think passive income. Once created, it continues to attract views and generate revenue without constant updates. While you're busy conquering the world, or catching some Z's, your evergreen content keeps working for you, attracting views and potentially generating revenue. It's like having a 24/7 employee who never takes a break. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's entirely possible with the right approach. Is it hard to create? It takes effort, sure. Crafting quality content that stands the test of time requires planning and dedication. But with the right strategies, you can create content that keeps on giving. From thorough research to engaging presentation, every step counts. Stick around and I'll show you how. Together we'll explore the best practices for creating evergreen content that continues to benefit you long after it's published. Evergreen content is the gift that keeps on giving. It's like planting a tree that continues to bear fruit season after season. Imagine waking up to notifications about views, likes, and subscribers, all while you were sleeping or even on vacation. All thanks to a video you created months or even years ago. This is the enduring power of content that remains relevant and useful over time. That's the magic of evergreen content. It continues to engage and attract viewers long after its initial release. Think of it as a long-term investment. Just like a well-planned financial portfolio, evergreen content can yield returns for years to come. Unlike trendy content that fades quickly, evergreen content remains valuable and continues to attract viewers over time. It doesn't get lost in the noise of fleeting trends. This means a steady stream of potential income, even when you're not actively creating new content. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your past efforts are still paying off. But it's not just about the money. The benefits of evergreen content extend far beyond financial gains. Evergreen content helps you establish authority in your niche. It positions you as an expert, someone people can rely on for consistent high-quality information. When viewers consistently find valuable information on your channel, they see you as a trusted source. This trust translates into loyalty and a growing audience. So are you ready to unlock the power of evergreen content and build a YouTube legacy that lasts? The journey starts with understanding and implementing the right strategies. Let's dive into the strategies that will get you there. From topic selection to optimization, we'll cover everything you need to know to create content that stands the test of time. Creating evergreen content isn't about hopping on fleeting trends. It's about providing timeless value. Think how-to guides, tutorials, or educational videos that address enduring questions and challenges. Start by identifying the core problems your audience faces. What are the questions they're always asking? What knowledge gaps can you fill? Once you understand their needs, you can craft content that provides lasting solutions. Don't be afraid to go in depth. Comprehensive guides and tutorials are gold mines for evergreen content. The more value you provide, the longer your content will remain relevant and attract viewers. Remember, your goal is to create content that people will continue to search for and find useful for years to come. Think timeless, think valuable, think evergreen. Don't just take my word for it. The power of evergreen content is evident in the success stories of countless YouTubers. Take, for instance, channels like Blender Guru or Khan Academy. Their in-depth tutorials and educational videos have garnered millions of views and continue to attract new learners every day. Why? Because they focus on evergreen topics and provide timeless value. Even channels in seemingly niche categories have found success with evergreen content. Take Primitive Technology, for example. Their videos showcasing ancient survival skills captivate audiences with their timeless appeal. These examples prove that regardless of your niche, crafting high-quality evergreen content can lead to long-term success on YouTube. So what are you waiting for? Start building your evergreen empire today. Section 5. The art of content maintenance. Keep it fresh. Creating evergreen content is like planting a tree. You need to nurture it to ensure it thrives for years to come. Regularly updating your content is key. Review your videos for outdated information or strategies. Can you add new insights based on recent developments in your field? Even minor tweaks can keep your content feeling fresh and relevant. Engage with your viewers in the comments section. Their feedback can provide valuable insights into what's resonating and what might need a refresh. Remember, the internet is constantly evolving. Staying ahead of the curve with updated content ensures your evergreen videos remain valuable resources for years to come. Section 6. Persistence, your secret weapon to YouTube domination. Let's be real. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. It's not just about hitting the record button and uploading videos. It involves planning, creativity, and a lot of hard work behind the scenes. You won't become an overnight sensation, and that's perfectly okay. The key is persistence. Every successful YouTuber you admire started from scratch, just like you. Don't get discouraged if your early videos don't attract millions of views. It's normal to feel disappointed, but remember, every view counts and every subscriber matters. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep refining your content. Each video is a stepping stone towards your ultimate goal. Learn from your mistakes and celebrate your small victories. Remember those successful evergreen empires we've talked about. They all started with humble beginnings and grew over time. They didn't get there overnight. It took them years of dedication, hard work, and a lot of trial and error. They persisted, learned from their mistakes, and never gave up on their vision. Consistency is key. Always be open to feedback and use it to improve your content. Establish a realistic upload schedule and stick to it as best as you can. Consistency helps build trust with your audience. Your audience will appreciate the predictability and reward you with their loyalty. Engaging with your audience and building a community is crucial. The YouTube journey is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about long-term growth and sustainability. Embrace the process, stay persistent, and you'll be amazed by what you can achieve. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Section 7. Join the evergreen revolution. Yes, you can. Creating evergreen content might seem daunting, but trust me, it's within your reach. You don't need fancy equipment or a Hollywood budget. What matters most is your passion, your knowledge, and your commitment to providing value. Start by identifying your strengths. What are you passionate about? What unique knowledge can you share with the world? Your expertise, no matter how niche, has the potential to become evergreen content gold. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different video formats, explore various editing styles, and find what resonates best with your audience. Remember, the evergreen revolution is all about creating content that stands the test of time. And you, my friend, have what it takes to join the movement. Section 8. Ready to dive deeper? Hit that subscribe button. I've only scratched the surface of evergreen content's power. If you're serious about building a YouTube channel that generates passive income for years to come, this is just the beginning of your journey. Want to learn more about crafting captivating titles, optimizing your videos for search, and mastering the art of YouTube promotion? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of passionate creators. We're all about sharing actionable strategies, proven techniques, and a healthy dose of motivation to help you succeed in the ever-evolving world of YouTube. Don't be shy, leave a comment below and tell me about your evergreen content goals. Section 9. The future of passive income, evergreen's reign continues. As the digital landscape continues to evolve at lightning speed, one thing remains certain: the power of evergreen content is here to stay. In a world saturated with fleeting trends and information overload, people are craving valuable, timeless content that provides lasting solutions. This is where evergreen content shines. By investing your time and effort in creating high-quality evergreen videos, you're not just building a YouTube channel, you're building a legacy. Your content will continue to attract viewers, generate income, and establish your authority for years to come. The future of passive income is evergreen. Are you ready to claim your stake? Section 10. Now it's your turn. Start building your evergreen empire today. You've learned the secrets of evergreen content, witnessed the success stories, and discovered the power of persistence. Now it's time to put your knowledge into action. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Start small, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Remember, the journey of 1,000 subscribers begins with a single video. The world needs your unique voice, your expertise, and your creativity, so go forth and create evergreen content that makes a difference. The Evergreen Revolution is waiting for you. Are you ready to join us? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on building your evergreen empire. In this chapter, we will explore advanced strategies for maintaining passive income streams. Stay tuned for expert tips and actionable advice. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing efforts, these strategies will help you maximize your earnings and ensure long-term success. From leveraging affiliate marketing to optimizing ad revenue and beyond, we'll cover it all. Get ready to take your passive income game to the next level.